Here's a drawing in SolidWorks which looks like this, and the question is, at what angle is this to that one? So what's the angle between this object and that object? To find out the angle, up here we have these tabs, assembly, layout, and on the layout tab we have smart dimension. Click on that smart dimension. Now select the first object's face and then select the second object's face, and between those two faces the angle will be shown. So I want this piece of wood, but not the top but the side. Left click on that one. Now the second one is this wood, but this portion, not the top. Notice it's getting orange when I'm over it, so click on that one also. And automatically this angle appeared, so simply left click on it, let's say there. And now if we scroll out and push down the scroll wheel, now we can move it to a desired location where we can read the number 112.6 degrees. So that's the angle, 112 degrees between this portion, this one, and this one. And that angle is visible from above also. I can rotate everything, push the space bar, a cube appears, select the top portion of that cube anywhere, let's say here, and we can see that 112 degrees. You can move that number also between this line and that line. That's the angle. Now let's measure another angle on the same object, the angle between this one and that one. Select everything, layout, smart dimension, zoom in to see it better, click on the first face and on the second face, and depending on where you are pulling it out, it is showing a different angle. Here is showing 337 degrees, and if I move it there to the other side, 22.6 degrees. So position it where you want to measure. I want the smaller value, so I left clicked there and now it remains there. Push down the scroll wheel of the mouse and then you can see that dimension. So that's the angle between, here's the line, between this portion and between that portion. It is 22.6 degrees. You can reposition it.